Hi guys, it's me David and welcome back to Chomper CHEMPR. Today we are going to be playing Obstacle Paradise with the new oof sound effect. I know, it sucks. The new oof sound effect completely sucks. It's not even an oof. It's like, oh, I don't even know. But anyways, let's go ahead and play some obbies with the new oof sound effect. So I'm pretty sure if I die. Oh, it's terrible. Bro, look at that guy who just died. Respawn me. Hello? Thank you. Yeah, this is not good, guys. I don't know why they can't just, like, spend a couple thousand, maybe $1 million to buy the oof sound effect back. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. No! Hold on, guys. Chomper's hobby. Okay, let's see if this works. No way. It works. The oof sound effect is back in only Obstacle Paradise. All you have to do is add the noob head stage. And it's back. Save the oof obby. Let's do this. Guys, save the oof. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I really feel like Roblox should just buy the oof sound effect and not be cheap, you know? But yeah. Because basically that sound effect sucks. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe with all notifications on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Chomp, chomp, chomp.